I know how to get that promotion and raise right away.
I don't understand.
It's called the old squeeze play.
Squeeze play?
Let me explain it. I get up early, I go right down to the Spiffy Iron Company, and I make sure that I can get a job being a salesman there. Then I go to see Mr. Marshall, my boss, and I tell him I have this other offer that pays more, and I'll have to leave the bus company. Otherwise, he could give me the promotion and raise, and that is what you call the squeeze play.
It's not going to work.
What do you mean it won't work? I'm gonna squeeze Mr. Marshall. He's in no position to squeeze me.
Of course not. He couldn't even get his arms around you.
One of these days. Pow! Right in the kisser. Moving right along, devotion 32. We began yesterday looking at the family of Elkanah, especially his two wives, Peninnah and Hannah. We found that Peninnah was producing a great many children, but Hannah was barren. But it is the attitude of Peninnah that we want to examine at this point. It was not a pleasant attitude. 1 Samuel 1:6. And her adversary also provoked her sore, for to make her fret, because the Lord had shut up her womb. Peninnah could not be content with rejoicing in the blessings of God in her own life. It seems that she could not be happy unless she was also making Hannah miserable at the exact same time. This was not a kind woman trying to encourage another one. Peninnah was a horrible human being who made every day of life miserable for Hannah. And that is the one and only thing we know about her. Perhaps she was an excellent seamstress, or a great cook, or an early Israeli martial arts expert. We simply do not know. All we know of her is that she was mean. The snotty attitude that she exhibited in the privacy of her own home has been on display for all of humanity to see in Scripture for thousands of years now. Do realize that God is not in the habit of allowing mean to go unnoticed and even unpublicized. It would be better to be kind and unknown than mean and infamous.
Yeah, you know, Ralph, I think I owe you an apology. I should be kind.
Apology accepted, Alice. Aren't you glad for godly lessons? Have a blessed day, folks.